Hello YouTubers, my name is Daniel, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to work with nested if-else statement in C# language. So first of all I am going to show you the definition of nested if-else statement.
It is always legal in C# language to nest if-else statements, which means you can use one if or else if statement inside another if or else if statements. Diagram.
So now I'm going to show you the diagram of nested if-else statement, and here we are, and I'm going to click on the full screen. So first of all I'm going to start my program, and I'm going to write my first condition. If my first condition is true, then the statement 1 will be executed, but if not, then the second condition will be checked. If the second condition is true, then the statement 2 will be executed, but if not, then the condition 3 will be checked. If condition 3 is also not true, then it will go on the else body, and then the else will be executed. So statement just below it, and then my program will be exit. So now I'm going to write a program related to if-else statement so we can understand easily. So I'm going to open Visual Studio and I'm going to click on New Project. Console application, I'm going to name my application as nested if-else, and click on OK. So here we are. So what I'm going to do is to take only one variable, and I'm going to name my, and the variable will be integer. So I'm going to name my variable as per, which is the short form of percentage. And I'm going to say that console dot write, enter a number, and save that entered value in per variable. So I'm going to say that per equals to integer dot parse and console dot read line, bracket open close, semicolon, and from here I'm going to start the nested if-else, and I'm going to say that if the entered value in per variable must be greater than 80 and also less than 100. If this is so, then print the message console.write, and I'm going to say that grade A1, print a message grade A1. So if I enter 81, then console.write will print grade A1. Or if I entered 99, which is less than 100, then still this same condition will execute. Now I'm going to say that else if per greater than 70 and also less than 80, then print, this must be, and if this condition will be true, then this message will be printed that console.write, and I'm going to say grade A. So if I entered 71, which is greater than 70, then grade A will be printed, and if I type 79, which is less than 80, then again the grade A will be printed, or I can say that this code will be executed. So now I'm going to say that else if per greater than 60 and also less than 70. Then print the following message. So in this code, I'm saying that if my entered value is greater than 60 or less than 70, then print grade A. This must be grade B. Okay, then print grade B, or else if I'm going to add one more condition, and that is if the entered value is greater than 50 and also less than 60, then print the following message, which is console.write, and I'm going to say grade C. So if my entered value is greater than 50 or less than 60, then grade C will be printed. Or if my condition is greater than 40 and less than 50, then print this, then print console.write will say grade D. I'm just printing messages for only example. So if my entered value will be greater than 40 or less than 50, then grade D will be printed. But if entered value is greater than 30 or less than 40, then print this message, console.write grade, then print fill. So here we are, almost here. Forgot to yes. But if wrong value entered, like if I say that else wrong or console.write, if none of the values are entered, like if I say 0, that will say wrong value entered, or if I entered a value which is greater than 100, then it will print wrong value entered. So I'm saying wrong value entered, and console.read key, bracket open close, semicolon. So now I'm going to run my program. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to enter a value which is greater than 80. So it says grade A is printed. But if I entered a value which is greater than 100, like 101 entered, so it will say wrong value entered. Or I will enter a value which is 0, and will again say wrong value entered. So the reason is, when I enter a value, the condition will be checked. Suppose I entered 81, then first of all it will check the first condition, If the first condition is true, then the following message will be printed. If not, then it will check the second condition and print the second message or execute this condition. If not, then the third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So as I have told you guys in this diagram, if the first condition is true, then the statement 1 will be executed. If not, then the second condition will be checked. If it is true, then statement 2 will be executed. But if condition 2 is also not true or didn't match, then condition 3 will be checked and statement 3 will be executed. But if not, then it will check the else body and then statement is below if and exit. So guys, hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.